Hello, I'm Eric Capras, 39 years old, and I recently offered as heavy diesel mechanic here in Otorohanga, New Zealand. I worked for more than 10 years in automotive industry until I decided to apply through online in New Zealand and luckily found Recruit NZ. They provided fast and smooth transaction to interview, digital ads application, which done in just 3 months. And one thing I love the Recruit NZ, they help the applicants to continue pursuing their dreams to work in amazing country, New Zealand. I can't imagine dream will come into beautiful opportunity like this. I'm so thankful I found Recruit NZ. I would definitely recommend Recruit NZ to all aspiring candidates and also to my friends in the Philippines.